Hello. In today's video, we're going to be covering something that's very frequently tested on the SAT, and that's how to find the equation of a circle given something that looks like this. Well, the first thing we want to know is the equation of a circle in standard form. And that is going to look like this, where you have x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared equals the radius squared, where h and k represent the center point of the circle. That meaning at point hk, that is where the circle is centered around. So this would have x coordinate h and y coordinate k. Right? So now all that's left to do is to try to find a way to put our equation into that form. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to want to complete the square. And if you're unfamiliar with completing the square, I do have a video on my channel posted that will explain the process. But for the rest of you, I will simply first group up my x terms together and my y terms together. We're going to want to complete the square separately for both of them. So if I'm completing the square for my x term, right, I'm going to want to take half of this negative 6 and square it, which will give me a positive 9. And now I'm going to want to do it for my y. So we have y squared plus 8y plus 1/2 of 8 is 4 squared, gives me 16. That's going to equal. And now on this side, I'm going to want to add everything that I added to this side so that it evens out. So I added 9 and 16, so I added a total of 25. So I have to add 25 to this side. 169, right? And now these factor nicely because we completed the square. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 169. And 169, as you may know, is just the same as 13 squared. So what do we know about a circle? Well, we know that it's centered on points 3, -4, and it has a radius of 13. And on the SAT, they might ask you simply, what is the radius of the equation of the circle given? And what you'll have to do is complete the square, solve, and then figure out what your radius is. Hopefully that helped. And that's it for this video.